Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Pierre over at PK Auto Design. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how we do in-house ceramic coating on these beautiful niche wheels. They are the Targa model and they have a custom finish for one of our select clients over at Pirelli. So hang on tight, let me show you how it's done. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your wipe off, and always a clean microfiber towel. We're going to apply the wipe off directly to the wheel and wipe off any dust, any particles that will not let the ceramic coat fully seal the wheel. So we're going to take all this nice dust off and make her nice and pretty. There's only one type of ceramic coat that we use in-house. It is from Chemical Guys, and we swear by it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your ceramic coat, you're gonna grab your tool for ceramic coating, and you're gonna apply it to the tip in 3 spots. So it's nice and evenly distributed. Once you have that, we're gonna apply it directly to the wheel. Now it's important to know where you start and where you end, as you want a equal level covered. So we'll start with one spoke and we'll glide our way down. Now this is just the first coat. We do a 2-coat step process in-house to ensure that every spot is filled and that no spoke is left behind. Once the ceramic coat is evenly applied, it's now time to take the excess ceramic coat off. Chemical Guys sells an amazing microfiber towel, nice and thick and nice and soft, so you're not going to scratch anything. You're going to once again want to start with one spoke and work your way down. Here at PK Auto Design, we take pride in all of our jobs and services that we offer, ceramic coat being one of them. There's nothing more important than protecting your investment with something as simple as a microscopic layer of protection from ceramic coat. Not only does it protect from mini scratches, it's also UV radiant protection, and no brake dust should be sitting if applied correctly. As well as my favorite part, when you're done washing your car and the water just simply beams off your wheel, making it super easy to dry and not letting anything stain your investment. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out at PK Auto Design. We're more than happy to provide you with our knowledge and service.